Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add product size on Wix. If you sell products in different sizes, adding that option correctly on Wix is a really important step. It helps your customers choose the version they want before checking out, and it also makes your product page look more professional and organized. For online stores, product options are extremely useful because they allow customers to customize their order before purchasing. Instead of creating separate product pages for every size variation, you can keep everything organized under one product and let customers select the option they need. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple once you know where to click. To get started, go to your Wix site dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website and store settings. The dashboard is where you can control many important parts of your Wix store, including products, orders, inventory, and other business features. Once you're there, look toward the top left of the screen and click on My Store. This section contains the tools related to your store, products, and business management. After opening that menu, click on Manage Products. This will take you to the area where all of your store items are listed. Here, you'll be able to see the products you've already added to your Wix store. Find the product that you want to update with size options and click on it to open its settings. Choosing the correct product is important because any changes you make here will affect how customers see and purchase that specific item on your website. Once you're inside the product details page, scroll down until you find the product options section. This is where you can add variations like size, color, or other selectable choices for customers. In this case, we're focusing specifically on size. Product options are helpful because they give customers more flexibility while keeping your store easier to manage. For example, a clothing store can use size options for shirts, shoes, or jackets, while another store might use options for different dimensions or versions of a product. When you see product options, click on Add another option. A new option field will appear, and this is where you'll create the size selection. For the option name, type size. This tells customers exactly what they're choosing when they view the product page. Under the Choices section, enter the sizes that are available for your product. For example, you might add small, medium, and large, or any other sizes that fit the item you're selling. Make sure the sizes you enter match the actual versions you have available, so customers can make the correct selection without confusion. Keeping your size choices accurate is important because incorrect options can lead to customer frustration, order mistakes, and possible returns. Always check that the available sizes match your actual inventory. Once you've added all the size choices, click Add. That will save the new product option to your item. And that's it. Your product now has a size option on Wix. After adding the size option, customers will be able to choose their preferred size directly from the product page before adding the item to their cart. As a quick tip, after saving your changes, it's always a good idea to preview the product page and make sure the size options display the way you want. This helps you confirm that everything is clear and ready for customers before they place an order. You can also test the product yourself by selecting different sizes and checking that the options appear correctly throughout the buying process. That's how to add product size on Wix quickly and easily. Adding product options like sizes, colors, or variations can make your Wix store easier to use and create a smoother shopping experience for your customers.